Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in American Eagle credit card. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. You can use any of your browser like Firefox, Safari, etc. Now open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search engine and type in American Eagle credit card. Now click on the link which has this logo. This is the official website of American Eagle. Here you can see an option sign in. Click on it. Now it will lead you to another page. If you just want to make a payment as a guest, you can click on pay as guest. And if you want to sign in, you have to type in your user ID and your password. Now type in your user ID. Now type in your passwords. If you click on this box, then you are saving the information on your browser. You can leave it as unchecked if you don't want to save the information. Now if you have forgot your user ID, you can click on user ID link and recover your user ID. And if you have forgot your password, you can click on password and reset your password. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you can click on register or apply to create a new account. Now click on secure login, and following the simple steps, you are able to log in to American Eagle credit card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.